Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Voyager luggage lock code. First, find the tiny reset button, usually on the side or bottom of the lock. Use a small, pointed tool, like a pen tip or paper clip, to press this button. Make sure you hold it down firmly throughout the next step. This action prepares your lock for setting a brand new combination. While still holding the reset button, carefully rotate the dials to your desired new 3-digit combination. Take your time to select numbers that are easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Double-check that each number is precisely aligned in the display window before proceeding. This ensures your new code is correctly registered. Once your new 3-digit code is set, gently release the reset button. You should hear a small click indicating the lock has registered the new combination. Now, scramble the dials to a random set of numbers. Finally, enter your new code and try to open the lock to confirm it works correctly. Always write down your new 3-digit combination in a safe place or commit it to memory immediately. If the lock feels stiff or doesn't open, avoid forcing it, as this can cause damage. Simply repeat the entire reset process from the beginning if your new code doesn't work on the first try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.